Hello, my name is Rachel Newman-Waddy, and I wanted to introduce myself and also introduce you to the Blackboard shell and content for this class. Welcome to Essential Skills for the Healthcare Provider. So I'm going to take my webcam and tuck myself in the corner over here so we can now look at the screen. Alrighty, so here is what the Blackboard shell looks like. And when you first open it up, you will see some announcements. Right here to the left is course content. So click on that. And here you will see some online assistance resources, just in case you need some help or tutorial. You'll see some information for our class, and this shows you how to forward your CCBC email to your personal email, and also how to set up your Blackboard to text. That's very essential for if any emergencies happen in the class, or, you know, as the winter months come, if we get a snow day or a closure, I will inform you, as well as CCBC. So here's course information. You will have the student manual, the syllabus, and a course outline, and this course outline will list all of your due dates and assignments due, and that looks like this, along with all of the due dates and when they are due. And you can take a look at that when you get the opportunity on your own. But I just wanted to show you how the first module is laid out, and the subsequent modules are laid out similarly. So you click on Module 1, and here will be an introduction flyer. I created this so you can know a little bit more about me and my background. And then we go back to Module 1. This is a really meaningful prose that I feel like encompasses the concept of healthcare. So go ahead and take a look at that. This, A Little More Than Just People, is a video about students introducing other people and what you get out of telling someone else's story. And here is our first discussion board, where you can introduce yourself and tell me a few things about yourself. The other students will see it as well. And what I expect is that you post something about yourself, listing these items, and respond to 2 of your classmates before the end of the week. Here is a learning quiz where you determine what type of learner you are. And here we also have a little bit of a PowerPoint going through the information for this class. And I want you to also do a calendar to let me know how much study time you have during the week. And we will have a one-on-one discussion about planning, education, college, and what you can expect to set, what type of time you can expect to set aside while you're in college. And lastly, I'd like to know a little something about what you would like to learn in this class. This will go directly to me, and then I will give you feedback on it and let you know if we can get to some of the ideas that you have, as well as the curriculum that I've set up. So I just wanted to show you how each module is set up. And right here, when I ask you to send a submission of what your calendar looks like, I wanted to show you, as you scroll down, you click here to attach a document, and once you find that document on your computer, you hit submit. So that kind of goes over some of the skills that you will need to have while you're in this course. And if at any point you have any questions, you can email me, and I will go over this one-on-one with you, either face-to-face, or I will set up an individual recording for you to outline some specific directions on what you might be asking or what you might need. So at any point, never hesitate to email me, and we will talk more about class, and I will get to know you more as the course goes along. I look forward to interacting with you during this Essential Skills for the Healthcare Provider class.